Our brief, simple video will outline why CADCAM is costing you money when used for simpler part programming in a job shop environment. CADCAM was created as a design tool, first and foremost. It was never designed to be a primary G-code generating tool. The fact that all G-code generating starts with a drawing is the main reason that will cause inefficiencies and lost productivity when used as a primary G-code generating tool for job shop programming where design is not required. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the facts and the costs using a CADCAM only model versus Kipware conversational shop floor programming software. The programming costs we'll use will be based on a $25 per hour salary rate for a CNC programmer. The yearly figures we'll use are based on creating 5 original G-code programs per week. We feel that both of these figures are on the low side of the average on a job shop. To create a drawing for an average simpler part, we're going to say it takes us about 10 minutes. Kipware Conversational does not require a drawing, so the 10 minutes is saved and creating a drawing is not applicable. Once the drawing is created in the CADCAM system, we need to select and create a stock model. On average, about 2 minutes. Again, in Kipware Conversational, it's not applicable. Next, we're going to select tools and create operations to machine the part complete. About 10 minutes in a CADCAM system. This is the essence of Kipware Conversational, where we select tools, create operations, machine the part, and create the G-code. On average, about 10 minutes. Once the operations are selected in the CADCAM system, we need to post-process and create the G-code. About 2 minutes. Again, in Kipware Conversational, it's all done at the same time in the 10-minute range. On the CADCAM side, we have a total time of about 24 minutes. On the Kipware Conversational side, we have about 10 minutes. Programming cost on the CADCAM side, based on that $25 per hour, gives us a $10 programming cost for the simpler program. In Kipware Conversational, it's $4.17, giving us a yearly cost savings of over $1,500 and a yearly time savings of 60.67 hours. Some other major factors to be considered. There is no drawing experience required with Kipware Conversational, which means that using Kipware can expand and open up the programming process for other chip makers, realizing a greater savings in time and money. The figures used in this video were low. $25 per hour and 5 programs per week are low for the average job shop, meaning there's a greater savings in time and money than were illustrated in the video. If you partner Kipware with the CADCAM system, you can realize the best of both worlds. Using Kipware for the simpler, everyday programming and using the CADCAM system for the more complex programming. If you're not designing, stop the CADCAM overkill. Where design work is not needed, dump the CAD, keep the CAM with Kipware Conversational. If you'd like more information on Kipware Conversational, we invite you to visit our website at kentecinc.com.